Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this classic, authentic Sheer Khurma. So first up, to a pot I'm going to add 1 cup of butter and let it melt on low heat. Once the butter has almost melted, I'm going to add 2 whole cardamoms and just cook them off a little bit in the butter. Next I'm going to add 75 grams or half a packet of vermicelli, or also known as SAWAIYAN, and brown them a little bit. When the vermicelli starts to crisp up and brown, I'm going to add about 1.5 liters of whole fat milk. Give everything a good mix and allow the milk to boil. Once the milk begins to boil, I'm going to add a cup of granulated sugar and give this a good mix. Ensure to keep an eye on the milk at this point because it is really easy to overflow while boiling at this stage. So once the milk starts to bubble to the top, I'm going to add 300 milliliters of double cream. And once again, when the milk starts to bubble, I'm going to add 2 sliced dried dates to this and give it a good mix. I'm going to turn the heat off and put a lid on for about half an hour. This allows a nice creamy layer to form on top of the Sheer Khurma that acts as khoya, and when you mix it in, you've got lumps of khoya in your Sheer Khurma. And that's it guys, it's as easy as that. I usually make this a night before Eid and refrigerate it in the fridge. It does thicken as it cools down, so don't worry about the consistency at this point. In the olden times they used to use buffalo milk, so it was much creamier and richer. They didn't need to add all these extra creams and khoya to it, but to get the right consistency I've used these things. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media. Till the next time, see you later.